Hey everyone, it's Ethan from Ichiban Engineering, and today we're going to take you on a tour in the injection molding factory and show you how we basically make the mold for our Subaru timing covers. So just a few things, like you can see this factory make a lot of stuff, anything from diaphragms to water tanks, fuel tanks, all kind of plastic parts. There's also injection molding like die cast, so it's basically aluminum. All OEM stuff for different brands, like this small Honda look like a spark plug cover for some motorcycle or something. Yeah, so let's take you on a tour. Yeah, so this is the factory basically, lots of CNC machines. This is an example for a mold that they're making for a tennis ball. So this mold gonna inject a lot of tennis balls. Yeah. Yeah, so this is the one part of the mold basically. Dual AVCS covers, just like our single AVCS. This is made out of billet steel, and you can see there's two parts of the covers here on one mold. So the two sides basically, the center section is the same with a single. So we're basically making the two sides for the dual AVCS version. Take a long time to machine this because it's a billet steel like I mentioned, and you have to get like a super finish, really shiny finish. It'll take a long time, so when the covers are actually injected, there's not going to be any marks on the plastic. It has to be really smooth and clean and polished. Yeah, so come see. This is basically the other part. You can see the shape better here. Yeah, this is the second mold. So the two molds together, or basically one complete mold, the two pieces merged together. And the plastic is being injected on the machine like we showed you in the last video last year. This is just basically the dual AVCS version. So yeah, that's basically it for today. I'll finish with some words. So it took us a long time to do the dual AVCS covers. The first mold we did a group buy about two and a half years ago. And this mold we had to finance from our own pockets. It costs a lot of money to make a mold like this. This is an OEM level production. It's not just making a CNC part. It's literally designing a part that is exactly like the OEM, making it in a factory that makes OEM parts. And yeah, it's a perfect part. It has to be. Yeah, so thank you for watching, and you'll see us next time in next video when we're gonna inject the parts.